Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston, and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make jerk chicken in the oven instead of the grill. So sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. To make your jerk chicken in the oven, we have some ingredients here which I've made out. Normally, I make up a blend of my personal all-purpose blends, and these are the dry ingredients. We have some dry pimento leaf over here. So these are some dry pimento leaf. Pimento leaf normally give it a big of a punch to the jerk season marinade. We have a red Scotch bonnet here. I choose to use only one because this is fairly hot, and not to leave out the good old pimento berry. And we need one nutmeg there. We have some fresh thyme. We have ginger. We have some fresh garlic. Also some spring onion. Over this side, we have an onion. Here, I have some browning, which I've made up, and a bit of Himalaya salt. So I'm going to take you through the process. So it's always a good practice normally to cut them up smaller. And this helps the blending process. Even also with like the ginger and the spring onion, it's good to give them a bit of chopped. And the rest can go straight in. It's always a good practice to put some of the soft, like your onion in first. After that, pimento berries and nutmeg. Next up, we're gonna add our ginger in. Next up, our pimento leaf. Then we're gonna add, our garlic and our thyme in. Next up, we're gonna put the rest of onion in. Some gravy browning, which I've made up. I'll be adding about 2 teaspoons of vinegar in this to help the blending process. I'm putting in some oil in this. You can use whatever oil you want to use. So our marinade is ready now. So now it's time to work on our chicken. So over here I have the chicken, but I'm doing quite a bit. So I'm just gonna give them a bit of a wash. So I'm putting some lemon on this. So in this water here is just lemon and a bit of vinegar. So we just give them a bit of a wash, So I have quite a bit of chicken here. So all the ingredients, we're just gonna put them in that. We're just gonna toss them. And then we're gonna get a spoon now to deal with this. rule of thumbs when you're doing jerk chicken, try to, go underneath the skin, like here. Very important. But I'm gonna get all the dry ingredients there, dry season all over, and then I will be adding the marinade over that. And then I'm gonna have to go back through here and, rub in the marinade inside, like underneath the skin, like this. So you get it seasoned to the bone. So now, what we're gonna do now is distribute some of your wet rubbing, which is the marinade. So that should be all right. Now, a quick rule of thumb that I was telling you. You see underneath here, try to make sure your marinade get underneath the skin. See, like this part, very important. So once you do that, you set these one over there. So you see this one already have marinade. Get marinade underneath the skin here. Put him over there. So we're gonna repeat the same process until all of them finish. I'm gonna quickly show you something. I have this hot grill like in the house, yeah? I'm gonna start the chicken on this grill, and then I'm gonna finish it in the oven. So when I just put them on the grill a little bit, we're gonna put them on this rack here, and we're gonna put them straight in the oven to finish off. So this is what I'm doing, just start them off on this. So now we're going to transfer them. So I still have some more left, but with these, I'm gonna put them straight in the oven now and take you through the rest of the process. Sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. What I'm doing now, I just take them out of the oven. I'm just gonna give them a bit of brush over. All that is personal preference. Just a bit of brush over, with some special sauce that I whip up. A bit of jerk, marinade, and some other bits which I put in this. We're gonna put them back straight in the oven. Over the other side here, I'm making some jerk sauce. So now this is our finished product of the chicken, ladies and gentlemen. And if this video is of any value to you, please do consider to like, share, subscribe, do leave a positive comment. So let's cut into our chicken now. And this is so juicy, look at this. Right to the bone. Look at that. Look at that.